Morning, evening, afternoon, from wherever you're watching. You're welcome back once again to the Mickey Mouse Class, a channel solely dedicated to demystifying mathematics, making complex problem look easy. Alright, what do we have today? We have multiplication of fractions. So let's dive into some questions on the board. This is 4 over 5 times 1 over 6. To multiply a fraction, what two fractions together, what you need to do is multiply the denominator, the numerator and the denominator. What do I mean? That's 4 times 1. These are the two numerators here, is 4 over 5 times 6 is 30. Now, you cannot leave your answer like this because something can still divide 4 and 30. It's not in the simplest form. What is that number? 2. We use 2 to divide 4. That will give us 2. Use 2 to divide 30. That will give us 15. So this is the multiplication of these two fractions, 2 over 15. Now let's look at this one. 1 half times half, that's 1 times 1, that's 1 over 2 times 2, that's 4. 1 over 4. Nothing can divide it. It's a fraction in its lowest term, so we leave it. Let's look at this one. 2 times 3, that's 6. 7 times 4, that's 28. Now, this is not in its lowest term. Something can still divide. Let's use 2. 2 can divide 6. It will give us 3. 2 will divide 28. It will give us 14. Nothing else can go. So 3 over 14 is the multiplication of this fraction. Let's look at this other side. 3 over 5 times 5 over 7. So we go again. We multiply the numerators. 3 times 5, that's 15, over 5 times 7, that's 35. Something can go in 15 and 35. Something can divide. That's what will I use to divide, to break down this 15. I will use 5. 5 here will give me 3. 5 here will give me 7. That's 3 over 7. There's something you can do, a short method you can do when you are multiplying. All you need to do in this, let me use that short method for what I just solved now. Look at this question. 3 over 5 times 5 over 7. All I need to do is just cancel out. 5 here 1, 5 here 1. 3 over 7. 3 times 1, 3. 1 times 7, 7. 3 over 7. Instead of going through this longer process. This method is used when you have very big numbers that you are multiplying. And you need to break them down at the end. So, if anything can go in the denominator that can divide, you use it and you bring out the answer. Okay, let's look at this one. 4 times 3. We can use that method. That method we just learned now. I can use 4 in 4 is 1. 4 in 8 is 2. So 1 times 3 is 3 over 5 times 2 is 10. Nothing else can divide in 3 and 10, so we leave it like that. Also, we can do it like 4 over 3 times 3 over 6. 3 here 1, 3 here 1. Now, something can divide 4 and 6. That's 2. It's a common factor. So 2 in 4 is 2. 2 in 6 is 3. So 2 times 1 is 2 over 1 times 3 is 3. And the last one, 5 times 5, nothing can go. So we can't use that method. 5 cannot divide 7. Neither can it divide 8. So we leave it like that. We just multiply out the numerator and the denominator and leave our answer like that. So 5 times 5 is 25 over 8 times 7, that's 56. There's no common factor. We'll leave our answer like that. Alright, I hope you have learned today. I hope you have picked up a skill and solving mathematics today. Okay, so before we go, just like in our usual start, here are some lists of take-home fun. The first one says 4 over 9 times 3 over 8. Second one says 1 over 3 times 1 over 3. The third one says 2 over 5 times 5 over 16. The fourth one says 3 over 7 times 4 over 15. The fifth one says 5 over 6 times 4 over 9. The sixth one says 3 over 7 times 8 over 9. The seventh one says 7 over 12 times 9 over 10. And the last one says 5 over 7 times 7 over 9. Do let me know the answers in the comment section. Let me see. Use any of the method I told you, either the one of multiplying the numerators or and the denominators together, then breaking it down, or by using the division method to solve it. If you enjoyed today's class, give us a like, share our videos, tell your friends about the Mickey Mouse class, a place where mathematics is demystified. And if you are yet to subscribe, please hit the subscribe button. Keep practicing. Remember, mathematics is fun. Till we meet again in the next class. Stay blessed. Shalom.